Hi everyone, I am Devansh and today I am introducing the Google Pixel Watch, a stylish modern smartwatch that is designed to help you stay productive and connected wherever you go. With its beautiful circular design and Wear OS by Google, you can get help at a glance with just a few taps. The Google Pixel Watch also comes with Fitbit activity tracking so you can stay on top of your activity levels, calories burned and more. Plus, it has advanced health monitoring features like heart rate tracking and sleep insights. You can even assess your heart rhythm for AFIB with ECG. And don't forget about the convenience features with Google Wallet for contactless payment, turn-by-turn directions using maps and event notifications from calendar. The Google Pixel Watch will make sure you never miss a beat. So join me in experiencing the power of the Google Pixel Watch today.
Are you in the market for a smartwatch or fitness band but don't know where to start? In this buying guide, we'll go over the key features to consider while selecting the right smartwatch or fitness band for you. Size and style. First, consider the size and the style of the device. Smartwatches are available in different sizes while fitness bands are typically slimmer and more lightweight. Display. Next, consider the display. Smartwatches and fitness bands have different types of displays including OLED, AMOLED and LCD. OLED and AMOLED displays are typically brighter and more vivid while LCD displays are more energy efficient. Fitness features. If you're interested in using your smartwatch or fitness band for fitness tracking, look for models with features such as heart rate monitoring, step tracking, GPS, and workout tracking. Smart features. Smartwatches offer a range of features beyond fitness tracking, including the ability to receive notifications, make phone calls, and control smart home devices. Battery life. Battery life is an important consideration for any wearable device. Smartwatches typically offer between 1 and 5 days of battery life, while fitness bands can last up to 2 weeks or longer. Compatibility. Make sure to choose a smartwatch or a fitness band that is compatible with your smartphone's operating system. Most devices work with both iOS as well as Android, but some may only work with one or two the other. By considering these key features, you can choose a smartwatch or a fitness band that fits your lifestyle and meets your needs. Remember to compare models and read reviews before making your final decision.